Hello everyone, welcome back to Codex Academy. Today we are going to explore the top 5 cool animations in Scratch that you can use to make your games and projects super fun. From making your sprite jump, walk, and bounce to give it the power to fly and even hide like magic. We will cover them all step by step. So, stick around till the end because by learning these animations, you will make your Scratch projects more interactive and awesome. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you will never miss the latest update. Alright, let's get started with our first animation jump. Okay, to make our sprite jump, you can take cat as well. I need to take some background because it's completely blank. So I'll choose one backdrop over here. Okay, which one we are going to take? Okay, we'll take Jurassic. And here we are going to make our sprite cat should jump. Now first we are moved to event block. Here when green flag click and I want the if condition that when I press the space bar my sprite should jump. For that I'm going to control and take if condition. Here I need to use sensing block and in the sensing block I will take when space key press. What should happen when space key press? We know that vertical axis is y-axis, so the y-axis should be changed. I'll go to the motion block and will take change y by. It should be change y by, you can take 50. Now we'll add some time interval. I'll take wait, not 1 second, I will take 0.3 second and then afterwards change y by minus 50. Here we have jump plus 50 and then it should come back to its original position. That's why we'll take minus 50. And to make it run, we can keep all these blocks in forever loop. So go to control and take forever and keep it here. Now I'm going to click the green flag and press the space bar. You can see it's jumping. Yes. Is it easy, right? You can use this effect in your games, animations and story to make them more interactive. Now we'll move to another animation. Let's go. Our next animation is how to make sprite move left and right. I just delete this code and here I want to make this cat now run left and right. For that again I'm going to the event block, take when the green flag click, forever loop. I'll take the forever over here. Then if condition. If I press the right arrow, it will move to the right direction. If I press the left arrow, it should move in the left direction. For that, I'm taking the if condition and that would be 2 times. First, sensing, key press. Here I want the right arrow and here I want left arrow. Okay, now when I press the right arrow, the x-axis should be changed by 10. For that, I will go to the motion block and take change x by 10. And here, if I press the left arrow, change x by not 10, instead of it should be minus 10. Now, do you want to see the effect? I just click on the green flag and I'm using my left and right arrow. You can see, but you can see here the face of the cat is not turning. For that, what should I do? I'm going to use point in direction. If I'll press the right arrow, point in direction should be 90. And if I press the left arrow, point in direction should be minus 90. It should be like this. Yes. Now I'll see the effect. You can see it's turned down. Now, how we can make it straight? Here, we can use set rotation style, that is left and right. Now, again, I'm going to click on the green flag and you will see the effect. Yes. So, you can use this animation in your game and stories to make it more interactive, right? Now, we'll move for the another animation. Let's go. What is our next animation? Our next animation is how to make our sprite bounce. This one is really interesting. How you can make your sprite bounce in different direction. So let's go. Now to show the bouncing effect, I don't want to use cat. I can take ball so it will look more interactive. I just delete this code and here I don't want this cat sprite. I will take another sprite. I can take ball. Yes. Now I want to make this ball bouncy. So for bouncing, what should we do? Again, when the green flag click, here we'll set its position. X and Y should be 0. For that, go to motion block and I will go to X and Y and both should be 0. Then we'll take point in direction and point in direction must be 45 to show the bouncing effect. And then I need forever loop and take from the control and then again go to motion, take 10 step and also if on edges it should bounce back. Do you want to see the effect? Oh, wow! See, our ball is bouncing in different direction. How is it possible? Because the point in direction is 45, it's continuously moving 10 step and if it touched to the edges, it's bounced back, right? And that's why our sprite is bouncing. You can use this animation in different kind of game and enjoy that. We'll move to the next animation. Let's go. Our next animation is how to make our sprite hide. Oh, it sounds interesting, right? Okay, let's make our sprite hide. So I just delete this code. Our ball is here. We can use this ball only to make our sprite hide. Now let's start coding. Okay, first when the green flag click, then forever loop, and here I want to hide my sprite. For that, go to looks block and take hide. Then wait for 1 second. Now again go to looks block, show, and here again wait for 1 second. Go to control, take, wait for 1 second. And to make it more interactive, you can add some sound. I'll go to sound and I will use pop sound. Okay, now you'll see the effect. Right? See how it's hiding and it's coming back, right? And to make it more interactive, you can use the random position. According to that, it will come to the different position. Like you can choose motion block and here you can choose go to random position. Place it over here and now you will see the effect. See, it's go to random positions now. See, it's coming to the different position, right? So you can use this effect also in your games and animations. I hope you like that. Now we'll go to the next and our last animation, that is how to make sprite fly. It sounds interesting, right? Let's go. Make your sprite fly. Here, to show the fly effect, we can use any bird, right? So I just delete this code. I don't want that ball sprite. I can choose another sprite. You can choose any bird, anything you can choose over here. any flying sprite, like here I can choose flying hippo. Okay, we can choose hippo as well, right? Now, how to make our sprite fly? It's very simple. First, we can go to event block. Then you can use forever block. Now go to motion, move 10 step, then wait, that is 0.2 seconds, and then you can use look block and change costume. Do you want to see the effect? See, it's flying, right? Do you want to see again? It looks amazing in your games and story to make them more interactive and effective. I hope you like this video. If you like the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your friends and family. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you will not miss the latest update. For the more information, you can visit our website codexacademy.com. With this note, we conclude the session. We'll see you in next session. Bye bye.